Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and has the Android Auto app. Turn on Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi on the phone and unlock the screen. These let the car discover the device and grant permissions. If your car uses wired mode, plug a good USB cable into the phone and car port now. Once done, wake the car's infotainment and choose the Android Auto or smartphone connection source so the system can start pairing. You'll see a pairing request on the car display and a matching prompt on your phone. Confirm both. Grant the Android Auto app microphone, contacts, SMS, and location permissions so voice, calls, and navigation work reliably. If the phone asks to set Android Auto as the default driving app, accept to reduce future prompts. Once paired, the phone may download maps or updates. Let those finish. Make sure media volume is up and Bluetooth audio is connected so audio routes through the car. Finish by testing voice commands, navigation guidance, and music playback to confirm full functionality. Use a quick route or song to check sound and mic clarity. If Android Auto won't connect, first restart your phone and the car's head unit, then try a different USB port or cable. Wired ports sometimes fail. If issues persist, check for updates to the Android Auto app and your vehicle's firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the Android Auto app cache and repair the device if permissions seem stuck.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.